let's see a different type of question. You are given graph, then you need to find the equation of it. So let's see example 1. Find an amplitude, period, and phase shift. And second, write the equation in terms of y equal to a sine bx plus c for a positive, b positive. So this is the graph given. So the question say that they want in terms of sine. So from here, let us highlight this part here because this symbolizes sine. So from the graph, obviously you can see the amplitude because the highest is 3, lowest is minus 3. Therefore, the amplitude is 3. Next, let's find the period. So this is one period. Okay. From here to here, this is one period. So let me label it. This is one period. So let's find the period. So take this value here minus this value. So it is 3 pi over 4 minus negative pi over 4. So the answer is pi. So from here, we can find the value of b because the formula is 2 pi over b is equal to pi. Okay. So let's rearrange. B is equal to 2 pi over pi. So this is equal to 2. So modulus B is equal to 2. Therefore, B is equal to 2. Next, let us focus on finding C. So from the equation given here, this is the general equation. Therefore, let us find what is the phase shift. So for phase shift, let us focus on the expression inside the bracket here. So let's solve for x. Bx plus c equal to 0. So x is equal to minus c over b. Therefore, this is the value of your phase shift. So let's equate minus c over b with your phase shift. So this is your phase shift minus pi over 4. Phase shift minus c over b that we get from the equation just now equal to your phase shift minus pi over 4. So cancel out the minus. B, we already know this is 2. So cross multiply. So cross multiply. So multiply by 2. So cancel out. Therefore, the value of c is equal to pi over 2. So now let's put all of A, B, and C inside the equation here. So let's compare with the general equation given. Let's fill in your A, which is 3, your B, which is 2, and your C is pi over 2. So plus pi over 2, nothing will change. Therefore, this is your final answer. Y equal to 3 sine 2x plus pi over 2. Now let's see example 2. Find an amplitude, period, and phase shift for the graph given. Then write the equation in the form of y equal to a cos bx minus c. So this is the graph. So let us highlight this part here because we want the graph of cos. Okay. So after we have highlight here, we can label this is one period. Okay. So this is one period. So we can find later on the value of period. Let's see amplitude first. Okay, so the highest and lowest point is 2 and minus 2. Therefore, your amplitude A modulus A is equal to 2. Now let's find the period T. The equation is 2 pi over modulus B. So this is equal to 2 pi. How do we get 2 pi? So let's take the highest value of x coordinate minus the phase shift here. So 5 pi over 2 minus pi over 2, this is equal to 2 pi. So from here, what you can do is we can find the value of B. So let's rearrange 2 pi over modulus B is equal to 2 pi. So now modulus B is equal to 2 pi over 2 pi. So cancel out, this is 1. Therefore, the value of B is equal to 1. Now let's focus finding C. So from the equation given, y equal to a cos bx minus c. Therefore, to find phase shift, we need to solve for x here. So let's write bx minus c is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to c over b. So this should be the value of your phase shift. Therefore, let's equate CB is equal to phase shift, which is pi over 2. So let's write here C over B is equal to pi over 2, and then let's solve for C. C is equal to pi over 2. Now let's compare with the general equation given, y equal to a cos bx minus c. So let's fill in our a, 2, fill in our b, 1, and fill in our c, which is pi over 2. Therefore, this is your final answer, y equal to 2 cos x minus pi over 2. So you can try out question 33 in your workbook. This is a general graph of equation given, so you need to find amplitude, period, and phase shift, and it's mentioned here the graph is sine. So let me highlight for you. You need to focus on this graph here, okay, because you are looking at sine. You can also do question number 34. So the question asks you to find amplitude, period, and phase shift. Then the question asks you to write the equation in the form of y equal to a cos bx plus c. So since the graph asks you for cos, that's why I've highlighted this for you. This is the graph that you need to focus on. So that's the end of this chapter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.